On level 1, this video going to show you how to use Klarna on booking apps. So we're gonna about to have here to know how you add it. What you need to do is about to go here on your account. Then once you do that, you're gonna click here on my account. As you can see, you're gonna have this part which is gonna about to have here this situation which is good about the Klarna and the booking, and use the property of the booking which is going about continue checkout payment. It's going to really have a situation on something that is ready to be satisfied depending on that. As you can see, click here on payment method. Once you click on payment method, you're going to click here on add. Then you can add your Klarna account or add the payment method of the Klarna. And maybe if you go back here on the booking, you can actually start to book with your booking. Start to choose your hotel, and then this is gonna really have this one. Start scroll down here, then I will reserve like one room, and then this is all about to see here on this. You can find some kind of payment methods on this part. That is all about to help you through this video.